Hello students, I am Nilanjana Sanyal, an online math tutor from India. I tutor students of the IB and the IGCSE boards from grades 9 to 12. This is my website www.nsonlinemathtutoring.com. You may visit my website to know about my tutoring services in more detail. Okay. Now we are solving questions from the topic Infinite Geometric Series, and this is our second session on this topic. We will be having 2 more sessions on the same topic, Infinite Geometric Series. Okay? So, without any further delay, let us start with the very first question of this session. The sum of the first 3 terms of a convergent geometric series is 19. What do we mean by this? Convergent geometric series? That means it is an infinite geometric series and the common ratio of this series is lying between -1 to +1 but is not equal to 0. Okay? The common ratio R is greater than -1 but is less than +1 and is not equal to 0. Okay? And the next information that is given is the sum of the series. They are not writing the infinite sum, but it is implied that the sum of this infinite series or the infinite summation is equal to 27. And find the first term and the common ratio. Okay, so let's start with our answer. So let the first term be U1 and common ratio, I am writing CR for common ratio. So, be R. Okay. And they are saying the sum of the first 3 terms. So, what is the first term? It is U1. Second term, because the common ratio is R, so it will be U1 times R, which is U1 R. Third term, U1 R square. Okay. So, U1 plus U1 R plus U1 R square is equal to 19. Okay. And the sum of the series is 27. Sum of the series means the infinite series, hence it is S infinity. And what is the formula for that? It is the first term, that is U1 over 1 minus R. This is equal to, this is equal to 27. Okay. So let this be our first equation and this be our second equation. Now from this second equation, let us first of all cross multiply. This is 27 over 1. So we may cross multiply and it will be U1 times 1 is U1 and 27 times 1 is 27. 27 times negative R is negative 27R. So we are having an equation which is giving the relation between U1 and R and it is expressing U1 in terms of R. Okay. So this is the third equation. Now we are substituting, we will be substituting this expression for U1 in our first equation. Okay. So it is 27 minus 27R plus U1R. So all the terms will get multiplied by R. 27 times R is 27R. Minus 27R times R is minus 27R squared. Then we come to the third term, u1 r square. So every term will be getting multiplied by r square. Therefore, it is plus 27r square minus 27r cube is equal to 19. Okay. And now we see these two will be getting cancelled, these two will be getting cancelled. So we have 27 minus 27 r cube equal to 19. And if we rearrange the terms, we have 27 r to the power of 3 is equal to 27 minus 19, which is equal to 8. Okay. Therefore, r cube is equal to 8 over 27. So now, let us take the cube root of both the sides. Okay. So this is r equal to 2 cube is 8, so it is 2, and 3 cube is 27, therefore it is 3. R is equal to 2 over 3, which is greater than negative 1 and less than positive 1 and is not equal to 0. Therefore, this is the correct value of R. Now we have to find the value of the first term or u1. For this we come over here and we will be just substituting the value of R in this equation. So it is 27 minus 27 times 2 over 3. So u1 is equal to 27 minus 18. Okay. So it is equal to 9. u1 is equal to 9 and r is equal to 2 over 3. Let us check one of the two equations I am taking. Let me take the second equation. I could have taken the first equation as well. So, I would ask you to check the first equation, the validity of the first equation with these two numbers, 9 for the first term and 2 over 3 for the common ratio. I am checking the validity of the second equation. So, it will be u1 is infinity will be equal to 9, that is u1, 9 over 1 minus r. So, it is 1 minus 2 over 3. 9 over 1 minus 2 over 3 and 1 minus 2 over 3 is 1 over 3. So, it is 9 divided by 1 over 3 or 9 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 27. Okay. So, we are seeing that this equation is getting satisfied by these two values. You will definitely be seeing that the first equation is also getting satisfied. Okay. So, this is our answer. The first term is 9 and the common ratio is 2 over 3. So, let us write the answer. First term is equal to 9 and common ratio is equal to 2 over 3. This is our answer for this question. Okay. Let us move on to the next question. A GP has first term A, common ratio R and sum to infinity as 6. A second GP means geometric progression, which is the same as geometric series or geometric sequence. A second GP or a second geometric progression has the first term as 2A. The first one was having the first term as A and the common ratio as R. The second one is having the first term as 2A and the common ratio R square. And the sum to infinity is equal to 7 and we have to find the values of A and R. So let's start. Over here we are having two geometric progressions, but we do not have to worry about it. We will be forming two equations and we are having two variables, A and R. We will be having two equations. Therefore, we should be able to get the numerical values of A and R. Okay. So, the first equation will be from the first GP. It is A over S infinity, let me write S infinity equal to A over 1 minus R. So, the first term is A, I have written, okay, let me write U1 over 1 minus R. I have written A by mistake, okay. So, it is U1 over 1 minus R, and now the value of U1 is A and R is same. It is A over 1 minus R, okay. And for the second GP, S infinity will again be equal to U1 over 1 minus R, but this time the first term U1 is equal to 2A and the common ratio is R square, so it is 1 minus R square, okay. So, this is equal to 6 and this one is equal to 7. These are the two equations that we have formed and we have to solve for A and R. So, what we can do is let us take the first equation and let us just cross multiply. Okay. I am writing over here. It is A equals 6 minus 6R. This becomes our third equation. And we will be substituting this value, this expression of A in our second equation. Okay. So, in place of 2A, I am writing 2 times 6 minus 6R over 1 minus R square is equal to 7. Okay. So, again, I'll be doing the cross multiplication for this. So, it will be 2 times 6 is 12 and minus 12 are to be multiplied by 1, which gives us the same product. So, it will be 12 minus 12R. 12 minus 12R is equal to 7 minus 7R square. Okay. And this is a quadratic equation involving the variable R. So, we should be able to find the numerical value of R. I am taking all the terms to one side and making the other side equal to 0. So, it is 7R square minus 12R. And 12 minus 7 is plus 5. So, it is plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, let us go for the middle term splitting. It will be 7R square minus 7R minus 5R plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. And 7R, R minus 7 and, sorry, not 7 but 1, sorry, R minus 1 and minus 5, R minus 1 is equal to 0. So, it is R minus 1 and 7R minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, R cannot be equal to 1, so we have to discard this part. And from this part, we are getting the numerical value of R as 5 over 7, which is greater than negative 1, but is less than positive 1 and not equal to 0. Okay. So, now that we have found the numerical value of R, we have to get the numerical value of A, and we will be using this expression or this equation. Okay. So, it is A equal to 6 minus 6 times 5 over 7, which is, and we are having 7 in the denominator, so we have to make the denominator of the first term as 7 as well. So it is 42 over 7 minus 30 over 7. And 42 over 7 minus 32 over 7 gives us the A value as 12 over 7, which can be written as 1 and 5 over 7. 12 over 7 is an improper fraction and 1 and 5 over 7 is a mixed fraction. So we have got the two values that we were asked to find. Let us write the answer. So A is equal to 12 over 7 or 1 and 5 over 7, and R is equal to 5 over 7. Okay, so this is our answer for this question. If you want, you can check the validity of these values that we have got. If we just take the very first one, A over 1 minus R equal to 6. Let us check the validity of these values just by substituting these values in the very first equation. So I'm taking this, I'm having this small space remaining. Let me try to fit in. So it will be 12 over 7. 12 over 7 divided by, it is divided by 1 minus R is 5 over 7. And 1 minus 5 over 7 is 2 over 7, right? So this is equal to 12 over 7 divided by 2 over 7, which means it is getting multiplied by, it is getting multiplied by 7 over 2. So it is getting multiplied by 7 over 2. And these two will be getting cancelled and we get a 6. So you see, the values that we have got for E and R are correct. You may check the validity from this using this equation number 2 as well. The correctness of our answer you may check using this equation 2. Okay. So students, this brings us to the end of this session. We'll be meeting very soon in our next session, and we will be having our next two sessions will be quite interesting and exciting. We will be solving some challenging problems. So please do not miss those sessions. You have to watch them. Okay. And thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Please give this video a like in case you found it useful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos which may be helping you in your math classes. Okay? And do not forget to press the bell icon. You will be getting notified as soon as I publish a new video. So bye for now.